Hello guys, how we doing? Phil Kent here, bring you another Affiliate Mentor Spark live training. And on this particular video, I'm announcing the start of something because this was actually in the back office of Affiliate Mentor Spark, which I didn't know it was there, which just goes to show you when you go through the content, you find out all sorts. And I've put it on the ticker going across the bottom of the screen, and it's a 90-day challenge. Now, if you know anything about myself, you will know that I'd always get involved in challenges of some sort. When I was back with OLSP, I started out in the early days doing a 50-day challenge. It went to be very successful. I did another 30-day challenge soon after that. Challenges are excellent. They maintain momentum, they give you incentive, and they give you that motivation. And once I stumbled across the training in the back office, which I'm going to show you in just a second, they recommend it as part of the module. So let's just jump straight in, and let's just go into sharing the screen like I normally do. Give me 1 second, let's just share it up, entire screen, and hit the share. Give that a second to load up, and that should drop it down. Okay, let's jump over to Affiliate Mentor Spark. Now, this is where we're at, guys. This is and this is all part of your Spark membership. Don't forget, you can get started for $1 for one time, should I say, one time $25. That's it. You know, it's such a good price point, affordable to the masses, literally. And you get access to so much. If anybody's looking to start their own side hustle business from home, they're looking to start, you know, getting into affiliate marketing, want to know more about list building, you name it, this has got everything. Okay, now this is found in the Spark modules. This is over here. This these modules here, the AI launch secrets, this is where you start. Number 1, this is just a preview. I'm showing you briefly of number 3, and it goes into getting your business really underway with a 90-day success challenge. Now, I could quite easily say, hey, well, I've been in just over 22 days, whatever it is, 23 days. And all of the goals that is put in place saying, you know, position yourself to be upgraded, help some other teams get upgraded, get X amount of members in, all of those that it recommends doing in the first 30 days, I've already hit all those. Now, I'm not flying by any means, but I've got a few members in. I've got 2 or 3 of those have actually taken an upgrade, so I'm ticking sort of all the boxes, but I'm not going to say, hey, well, I've already done 23 days and come in that way. I'm just going to start off from day 1 from today, because I want to increase what I've got, increase that momentum, because like anything, when you're in a program where you have your dips and your lows, okay, I had excellent momentum at the beginning. I was reaching out to some warm contacts and things like that, getting people on board, getting them started, getting them working with me. And, you know, a little dip, and then we're coming back up again. And now I've got the 90-day challenge. We're going to kick things off. So you're looking at the module 3 here, goal activation. And these things down the bottom here are great. I mean, the videos are good, but they are AI powered. I do certainly prefer reading them, and the flipping book you got here, and the download PDFs. If I just give you a snippet of what that's like, have a look. This is a snippet, just a quick preview of the flipping book, as you can see. And this is your AI enhanced 90-day plan assignment. It tells you what to do, goals to set, turning big goals into daily wins, tells you how to structure it from day to day. And there's a lot of pages to this. I don't know how many there is. 40 or more pages to this. I'm not going to go through it all, because obviously it's content that you get to see, but you get the idea. And I love the flipping book effect. Basically, this loads onto your PC, and if you just go to the left or to the right, you know, it flips the book over like you're literally turning over. It's a little bit slow because obviously the recording software is slowing it down. It gives you more ways to break it down. Absolutely superb. You can also download it as a PDF and save that to your PC and read it at your leisure. And you've got all these modules here. You've got module 5 coming soon. So, and the AI launch secrets is excellent. It tells you how to get started, how to get your business off and running, how to get your first people in, how to concentrate on getting your first 3 to 5 members in, and covers it in full detail how to do that. Then you've got module 2, income stacking, and module 3, goal activation, and then number 4 is TikTok ignition. Okay. Now also over here, when I'm upgraded, I'm in core and VIP. I'm all in. I'm fully upgraded. So I do get access to other bits. This one here is fantastic. This is part of the VIP membership. We've got traffic mastery, how to generate 5 leads per day using AI. And as you can see, this is not something. This is 73 pages of this, you know, and this is all really, really high value content. Now, this, you don't get access to this as a $25 Spark member, but you do get access to it as a VIP. And it's all, you know, it just gives you more and more incentive because it's too easy to get complacent in any online program. I've been online for quite a few years, and the shiny object syndrome is something that everybody falls into. I was a victim of myself a few years back, because especially if you're working hard for a program and you're trying hard, and you'll always get a lull in a program. You get a time where, you know, you're not getting leads in daily, you're not getting people join daily and all the rest of it, and that's when your attention will drift, especially when you're online all the time, you know, especially if you're using, say, mailers or traffic exchanges or something like that. You're going to see something, catches your eye. Oh, this looks easier. I'm going to go and try this one out, you know, and that is what happens. And it's no fault of your own. That's the industry. That's the way it's designed to work, to catch your attention and draw your attention away. But you end up just jumping around and losing loads of money. That's what will happen. So you need to become committed. You need to become focused. And when you decide, you know, this is the one I want to be involved in, you know, if somebody shows you something, say, hey, thanks for the interest, but right now I'm fully focused on what I'm doing. And you have to be diligent on that. And that's the only way you're going to get any sort of momentum in any program, okay? So like I said, this is the Traffic Mastery as part of the VIP. You've got tons available as a Spark member. You've got the training vault here as well. I can click onto that. You know, I can show you bits and pieces. As you can see, you've got 17 modules here of training as a Spark member. You've got those Spark modules, which are absolutely fantastic. When you get people on board, this does all the work for you, which is another thing I like about it. It's easy to follow. It's simplistic. It's got everything, guys. Yeah, so you can get, when people come on board as a Spark member, just guide them to the Spark tab. Once they've got their setup and everything in place, yeah, and then they go to the Spark modules and then start here, module 1, AI launch secrets, and tell them to either use the flipping book or download the PDF. Far better. You can watch the video at the same time. Some people like to have the video playing behind. This is an AI powered video, but I think it's just far more effective with the PDF and the book, because it's so detailed. You get all the graphics, all the images, you get the wording, it's laid out. It's very, very high quality. And once you guide them to there, and then if they follow the training, that's the secret. If they follow the training, do what it suggests to do, and then you're going to help them. They will naturally be guided through getting the first 2, 3, 4, 5 people on board, and that's what you need to do. And then the program will also go, when it moves on to the module number 2, the income stacking. It will introduce them to the upgrades as well over the 2 modules. So it will show them what the upgrades are, what's available, and what benefits they'll get from them if they decide to upgrade, etc. So you don't need to do any selling or telling or trying to pitch them to do an upgrade. Let the program do the work for you, and let them present those opportunities for you, and let them make their own decisions. Some people are quite happy just to come on board as a $25 Spark member and just encourage people and share the opportunity to join and get underneath their matrix. And when it fills, they earn a $50 from the matrix. So they double the money, they start a new board and start over again. And if anybody in their matrix fills their matrix, they're going to get a 50% matching bonus. So there's some people that have made a lot of money purely doing that. Okay, so the opportunities are endless. It's just a case of getting started. So the 90-day challenge is going to involve quite a lot. I'm going to set myself some sort of targets, which I always do. As you can see, there's a quick flash of the leaderboards here. I don't want to show you all the actually, you've only got the sort of first names and things like that, but you can see what's going on. I mean, the top earners this week, bearing in mind that I'm making this on a Monday on the 8th of September 2025, and as you can see, the earnings are already clocking in, so that's probably just either a day or 2 days at the most, because this is a Monday. If you look at the 30 days earning, it jumps right up. We've got our own team leader there, Edward Keith, is in number 2 position with 6,295 just in 30 days. He's not been with the program 30 days. I think it's going to be in the next 2 or 3 days. It'll be in there for 30 days. But if you click on the all time, you can see people like Same at the top, 19,000, just short of 20,000. Richard, 17,000. So you can see that money is there to be made with this program, okay? And then you've got the top teams who've been coming in the last 30 days. Edward is at the top of our leaderboard. That's our team leader. 124 members he's brought in since he started. And then you've got top leads generated as well. So, and then when you jump into places like the Affiliate Mentor main Facebook group, you can see what momentum this program has got. Guys, I keep saying to people, don't sit on this one. Don't sit. Well, every now and then you get a good, very good program with great backing, great ownership, etc. comes along, and this is one of them. This is one of them that's got all the tools you need. Now, our particular team, as you may or may not know, we've got our own exclusive team pages, we've got exclusive funnels, we've got exclusive trainings, and Edward, our team leader, has even got a traffic rotator to help people even more. He wants to help people get started, get the first couple of people on board. There are no guarantees with the rotator, but you've got to be in it to win it. So get yourself on board. The link will be somewhere below this video, depending on where you're watching it. You might be watching it on YouTube, you might be watching it on my Facebook profile, or it could be in my own Facebook group as well. But somewhere below this video, there will be a link to join to get started. One time, $25 to get started. That's, this day and age, that really is nothing. It's affordable to the masses. Get on board, get started, go through the training, reach out to me. I'll put you in touch with we've got our own team Facebook group. We've got our own exclusive funnels and pages and stuff that's exclusive to our team, only put together by Edward Keat. And if you know anything about his content, it's always of very high quality. So, guys, this is just started. This is my 90-day challenge. This is day number 1. I'm going to be doing a video like this every day, at least one video a day, or at least one live. I might do another one just for the program itself, which is not live. I just record it myself. And I'll be doing much more with setting up some sort of organic traffic. We're trying to do some paid traffic and something to do with social media reels, and just set yourself on targets. This is what's good about a 90-day challenge. It gives you that incentive. It gives you that motivation. Once I saw it in the back office under part of the training, which was coming into over here, the goal activation, you can see that screenshot I showed you with about all the 90-day challenges. And when it was so detailed there, because it didn't just say, hey, do a 90-day challenge, let us know how you get on. It breaks it down just step by step. It says what you need to be looking for, what to write things down, what your goals are, what's your weekly goals, what's your targets in a progress report. There's so much value there. It is insane. Okay, so this is why we're sort of banging the drums about this program. The value and what you're getting here just purely from your $25 membership is second to none. It's one of the best I've ever seen. And then you've got the optional upgrades of Core and VIP, which I highly recommend, but everyone's circumstances is different. Get on board, join for $25, take a look, see what you think. That's what I say to people. Once you see the value the program has got, and then you see the added value that we've got as a team with our team bonuses and content, it's a complete no-brainer. You can see why people like Edward, our team leaders, doing so well, and the value we want everybody to do well. We want people just to come on board as a number, as some people do, and then just do nothing with them. I reach out to all my people that are joining constantly. How you getting on? Let me know. Keep guiding them in the right direction. Send them to over here. That's what it's all about. Let's just jump back to the screen. I'm approaching the sort of quarter of an hour mark. Let's stop sharing and come back out. So there we go, guys. This is day 1 of my 90-day challenge. I said, anybody knows anything about me and myself before with programs, I do love a challenge. That is what they're all about. Depending where you see this, drop any comments, drop any questions. The links will be below this video to get on board somewhere, okay? Because I do put this live on my Facebook profile, then drop it into my group, and then I'll download it later on and stick it onto YouTube as well. So there's plenty of places to find it. Once you're on board, just drop me a message, reach out to me, and I'll get you hooked up with our exclusive team Facebook group, and also how to get access to our team content, funnels, pages, and how to get yourself onto Edward's Traffic Rotator as well. So with that said, we are underway. 90-day challenge, day number 1. Whatever you're doing, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers and bye for now.